I'm Todd from MarineMax at Panama City Beach. This is the Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. The 22 to 24 foot dual console saltwater boat market is really hot right now, and this boat is one of the principal reasons why. It's got this rugged and attractive hardtop to protect you from the elements. It's got this amazingly engineered multi-position seat to make sure your passengers are always comfortable. There's a live well under that seat so you can fish, and a roomy head so you can, well, you know. Come to MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Check this boat out for yourself. Let me show you a dozen other reasons why this is such an amazingly versatile boat.